Hi, Frank Trilip here, and this video marks the first of the series highlighting the details of properly performing and documenting post-repair, post-calibration test drives on ADAS-equipped vehicles. Now, the objective of this video series is to educate collision repairers and insurers on why ADAS-equipped vehicles must receive a properly performed test drive and why each test drive should be documented. Now, as I have mentioned in previous videos, I've talked to hundreds, if not thousands, of repairers and insurers over the past year, and I'm shocked and amazed at the lack of interest by both segments to do the right thing when it comes to properly performing, properly documenting, charging, or reimbursing for post-repair, post-calibration test drives on ADAS-equipped vehicles. You know, I wonder what consumers would think if they knew that a vast majority of their ADAS-equipped vehicles never receive a proper test drive after a collision repair or calibration. But in today's video, I'm going to review the OEM-based test drive procedures on Honda sensing equipped vehicles. Now you may be asking, where do these OEM-based test drive procedures come from? Since I can't find them in one place in the OEM repair procedures or in ALLDATA or in other procedure systems. Well, the answer is our team accesses OEM procedures, OEM owners manuals, OEM websites, OEM YouTube channels, ALLDATA, and other sources to create these procedures for our patent-pending Test Drive Copilot platform, the world's best system for properly performing, managing, and documenting post-repair, post-calibration test drives on ADAS-equipped vehicles. You can learn more about our Test Drive Copilot platform at www.testdrivecopilot.com. Now, did you know that a Honda sensing equipped vehicle can have as many as 11 ADAS systems? Here, you can see on my screen to the left here, collision mitigation braking, low speed braking control, adaptive cruise control with low speed follow, lane watch, cross traffic monitoring, parking sensor systems, 11. A Honda that shows up at a facility for an estimate or repair or a calibration could have one or all of these systems. And whether it has one or all of them, after the repair or after the calibration, those systems need to be tested properly. And in my opinion, the testing should be documented. So let's take a look at each of these systems and start with the collision mitigation braking system. Again, you can see on my left here, the first thing you need to do is verify the camera behind the rear view mirror is not damaged, dirty, or obstructed. Then you need to verify that the radar sensor at the lower part of the front bumper is not damaged or obstructed either. You need to get the vehicle speed up to greater than 3 miles an hour or 5 kilometers an hour for my Canadian friends. Then you need to verify that the system provides 3 different stages of visual, audio, audible, and haptic warnings when that vehicle detects a collision when moving forward. The low-speed braking control system, you need to verify the sonar systems located in the front and rear bumpers are not damaged. Then you need to get the vehicle speed up between 1 and 6 miles an hour, or again, for my Canadian friends, 2 and 10 kilometers an hour. And then you need to verify the system provides visual and audible alerts when the system detects an obstacle or a wall. Now, Honda's road departure mitigation systems, again, requires you to check the camera behind the rearview mirror. Also, it requires you to get the vehicle speed between 45 and 90 miles an hour, again, or between 72 and 144 kilometers an hour. Once you've done that, you need to verify the system provides visual alerts in the dashboard when the system detects the possibility the vehicle is crossing lanes or leaving the roadway. You also then need to verify the system applies steering torque and rapid steering vehicle vibration when that system again detects the vehicle is crossing the lane markings or leaving the roadway. Now, Honda's basic adaptive cruise control, you need to verify the camera behind the rearview mirror. Again, it's not damaged, dirty, or obstructed. And then verify that acceleration, deceleration, and braking changes with the vehicle in front of you keeps your vehicle at those variable speeds. Now, the adaptive cruise control with low speed follow uses both the camera and radar, so you need to verify the camera and the radar are not damaged, dirty, or obstructed. Then you need to get the vehicle above 25 miles an hour or 40 kilometers an hour, and then verify that the vehicle accelerates, decelerates, and brakes based on the vehicle in front at different speeds. Honda's lane keep assist system, again, uses the camera, so you need to check the camera to make sure it's not damaged, dirty, or obstructed. And then you need to get the vehicle speed up between 45 and 90, or 72 and 144 kilometers an hour. And then you need to verify that the vehicle is kept between the driving lanes and is continuously centered. Honda's forward collision warning system, the vehicle speed must be above 3 miles an hour or 4 kilometers an hour. And then you need to verify the system emits a beeping sound, flashes a brake message in the multi-information display when the vehicle or an object appears in front of the test vehicle. Honda's blind spot system uses radar sensors under the rear bumper corners, so you need to validate they're not damaged. You need to get the vehicle speed up to at least 20 miles an hour or 32 kilometers an hour. And then you need to verify step one, verify the warning light comes on in the outside mirror when a vehicle is being detected. And then second of all, when using the turn signal when changing lanes, verify the signal blinks, also generates an audible alert. With Honda's Lane Watch system, you need to verify the system shows a live video of the blind spot through the 7-inch media screen in the dash, and when you turn the right turn signal on, or when you press the Lane Watch button on the turn signal stalk. Honda's parking sensor system, you need to verify the sensors in the corner and center of the bumpers are not damaged. And then you need to verify that the system generates beeps and presents distance between the vehicle and the obstacle in your driver information interface system. Last but not least, Honda's traffic sign recognition system. You need to verify again the camera behind the rearview mirror is not damaged, dirty, or obstructed. And then you need to verify that the system presents the speed limit from the signs in the information system, or if installed, the heads-up display. So there you have it. That's how you should be road testing Honda sensing equipped vehicles after a repair or after a calibration. Also, the results of these tests should be documented for quality control, safety, and liability. So I have a question for you. Is your business properly performing and documenting post-repair, post-calibration test drives on Honda sensing equipped vehicles? If not, you need to check out our pending test drive Copilot platform. Again, world's best system for properly performing, managing, and documenting post-repair, post-calibration test drives on ADAS equipped vehicles.